All right, hopefully this will be the last video, at least for tonight, and we're going to talk about translations. All right, translations. We went over this the other day, and I don't know that it was the clearest in the world for many of you, and that's okay. If I would happen to give you these two equations, all right, they should both have the exact same slope, and I know that's not the clearest, so let me fix that for you. Okay, so everything is exactly the same except this y-intercept. Anytime you are looking at the y-intercept right here, what this does is it moves it up and down the y-axis. So let's look. If I would graph these and put them in and say y equals 1/3 x plus 2, okay? That's your first one, that's fine. My next one, y equals 1/3 x, oh, whoops. That is something you got to make sure you space over x plus 4 when you're putting the equations in. Do you see how the only thing that happened, it shifted up by 2. That's it. So it moved 2 units up. It took that line and just went up 2 units. Easy enough, right? Now, the next part, I'm going to switch to a different tab and show you what happens when slope is different. Okay, say for instance, you have 2 lines and 2 different slopes. And your y-intercepts might be the same or different, it doesn't matter. But look what happens when you change the slope of the line. What is it doing? It's the steepness. So it gets either steeper or it gets flat, much flatter. So you see how that works? And that is basically the 2 different things that you need to know for translations. Is you need to be able to say that the line, what the line is doing. So in this case, you would, if you're looking at slope, you would be telling me if it's steeper or flatter. Okay, those are the 2 that you're going to go for there. Or any other descriptors that you can come up with is going to work. If you're looking at the y-intercept, what is going to happen is it's going to shift up and down. So it's either going to move up or down. And that's basically the only things that you have to do. You're basically comparing 2 lines. Hope that helps.